Hope, how's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question, I have already answered in previous couple of playlists, and in many in context, in several contexts, it came like why VPCs with overlapping CIDR ranges cause problem. But I thought let's have a separate question also for this to look into this question into more detail. So, what is the problem? Like when two VPCs are connected, if you want to peer two VPCs, you want to create a connection between two VPCs, and they have overlapping CIDR ranges. What are the problems? So here let's have look at this VPC A and VPC B. So VPC A 00/16 and VPC B is 100/24. So VPC A it covers this range of IP address. So VPC A means this network address will remain same 16, right? 8 plus 8, 16. And last two octets it will change. And VPC3, 3 octets will remain same. Last octet will change. So 1.0 to 1.55. And this is 0.0 and this is also changing. So this is a subset of this. So all these IP all these IP ranges are under this. So this is because of this it overlaps with VPC8. These IP ranges contain these IP ranges also. So if you have VPC A and VPC-B, and if you want to try to connect them, if you want to do VPC peering or transit gateway routing between the overlapping CIDR, the IP address conflict will occur. This will cause routing ambiguity and connectivity failure. So overlapping CIDR not allowed. Overlapping CIDR not allowed. This is the issue you will get. So what is the direct impact? VPC peering limitation. You cannot do VPC peering. AWS will reject a peering request for overlapping CIDR block. No direct communication possible between two VPCs. Transit gateway restriction. We cannot attach VPCs overlapping CIDRs to same transit gateway. That is not possible. What is transit gateway? Transit gateway is like a hub. You can connect multiple VPCs, VPC1, VPC2, VPC3, VPC4, then maybe your office connection. So all this you will be able to connect. Like central network hub connects your VPCs and on-premise network to a single gateway. Single gateway. It's like a hub. It's like a hub. It's connected. Right? That is a transit gateway. Simplifying network management and scaling. So that is transit gateway restriction also there. VPC peering failure will be there. VPN also won't be there. VPN direct connectivity will be there. Before office network also having this conflict range of IP addresses, overlapping CIDR, you won't be able to do VPN right? Direct connection. So these are the issues. VPN direct connection, peering issue, transit gateway issue. They are like a problem. So how do you solve the problem? What kind of one way is NAT gateway translation. So NAT gateway will be converting the IP address to another IP address. Some conversion will happen so that there is no kind of conflict. Application load balancer use ALB as an intermediary between VPCs. Route traffic through load balancer. So it will add cost and latency. It will add cost and latency only about with only HTTP and HTTP based traffic. But if you have some other traffic, then it's a problem. Right? If you have, let's say, FTP traffic or SH traffic or some other traffic, then you can't use this application load balancer. You can use AWS private link. You can use proxy bus nodes. So there are the different options. Like what is the workaround? Like if there is a conflict, you can go for application load balancer, Bastion host or proxy, application network NAT gateway solution. They are the like 4 5 workaround solutions are available in case if there is a conflict. So prevention best practices, plan CIDR blocks before VPC creation. So you have to plan a CIDR blocks carefully. So in the last yesterday's video, we have already discussed this. Like how do you plan CIDR block? You just not you don't randomly select some random IP address of the CIDR block. We discussed about the size of the VPC. We discussed about IP ranges. We discussed about RFC 1918. So all these things we discussed about in yesterday's interview question. How do we plan for CIDR blocks for VPC creation? So you can have a look at that for more detail. Okay. Document IP allocation across organizations so that there is no conflict. People don't, by mistake, people otherwise will say, I didn't know that there will be conflict. Organization, this division is using the same IP address range. Use centralized IP address management. So these are the best practices you can follow. So let's go to the quiz section. What is a major issue caused by overlapping CIDR ranges between two AWS VPCs? Increased storage cost, duplicate IP address conflict, and routing ambiguity. So this is the one, hypertext conflict and routing ambiguity C. Hypertext conflict and routing ambiguity. Which of the following AWS features will not work if two VPCs overlapping CIDR images? So it will be VPC peering. VPC peering won't work. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow my DevOps Challenge Hub page on LinkedIn. I organize quiz and contests daily. You can participate in that. And also follow WhatsApp channel DevOps Challenge Hub. I post updates regularly. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.